So one person gets a small.
We need to know who's going first and who's going second. You want to help wait? Let's these ones for these guys so we can take some good video. Yep. Okay.
Tag us in, I think. Yeah. I'll go get over.
No, you go ahead. Everybody has the time that wants to come and see. We're going to get them going. Photo. Yeah, wait, turning up.
Cookido? Yep. No, he's Smarty. Yeah, that's Smarty.
Okay.
You might want to move your radio. All right, Miracle Treat Day. It's that time of year again for our annual blizzard eating contest, and we're doing things a little differently this time. We've got ourselves from the radio station, we've got the police, and we've got the firefighters here as well. So we're doing a tag team event. So let's go around the table and introduce everybody. Let's start off this way.
Fire Chief Dale Feezer, it's on like Donkey Kong.
Firefighter Steve McLaren. I'm going for the win.
Daniel Esplin, Rock 106. I'm actually lactose intolerant.
Constable Michelle Polio with the Estevan Police Service. We're going to do this.
And Sergeant Tyler McMillan, Estevan Police. I don't think there's any chance here that these
And Nick Nielsen in the newsroom and defending champion. That's right. Woo! Alrighty, so the way the ball's on this side, we have to finish ours first, tag our partner in, they have to finish theirs. First team to finish is the winner. Alright, who's going to give us a countdown? Anybody?
Countdown, guys.
You got it?
Yeah. 5.
Wait, do we go on one?
Go!
It's awfully quiet.
Come on, Dale.
Come on, Dale.
Dale! Go!
Screw it! They're cheating, arrest them!
He's got his game face on.
Come on, Dale!
Yep, that's your job.
Come on, Dan, you got this. She's slowing down.
Oh, I hear the bottom. I hear the bottom.
I hear
Dan!
Hurry.
Dan, no! Okay, go for number 2 at least.
Put your arms up.
Yes!
Upside down back for the second place. Got a blizzard.
Oh, dude, those
Oh,
are
you
cool.
got the spider base. And for third place,
I'm gonna wear that proud.
Tummy ache.
you got the hot dog.
Blizzard eating contest. Come out to Dairy Queen today and support Miracle Treat Day. It's for a great cause. Congratulations.
Guys.
I won. I did.